Now our next installation is outside at the house next door where my buddy Alan Lyle's in the process of installing a new security light. Now anything electrical, you may want to hire an electrician to take care of that work for you because it's kind of intimidating to a lot of people, but this particular installation is fairly easy.
Oh, this is probably what you'd call a classic example of a do-it-yourself project. We just want to take this existing floodlight, we're going to put in this motion sensor halogen, and I'll be honest with you, we could hire an electrician to do this, but it's going to cost us anywhere from 80 bucks to upwards to 120 or so just to put in this $24 fixture. It's easy though, we're going to do it ourselves.
And the very first thing you do, of course, anytime you're working with anything electrical, is to turn the power off. We turn the light on at the switch, then instead of yelling back and forth, I go to the breaker box with my cell phone while Alan watches the light. Once the power to the circuit is safely off, Alan begins removing the old fixture. Then he adds a bracket to the box to accommodate the center mounting point of the new fixture. The wiring itself is as simple as connecting black to black, white to white, and ground wire to ground wire. And most outdoor fixtures have a gasket at the base, so be sure that's fit in place properly so that no moisture can get inside the box.
Now once the light fixture is installed, you'll want to take the manufacturer's booklet to set the sensitivity and of course how long the light stays on.